Hello everyone, my name is Sanchita and I will be your host for this Kubernetes 1.33 release team meeting. Today is 9th of April and we are in week 13 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting which falls under Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized to be nice and excellent with each other. This meeting is being recorded and will be posted publicly to the YouTube channel, so please be mindful what you say is being recorded. Moving on with the open discussion, I don't see any new items in the open discussion. Is there anything we would like to discuss before we move on with the team updates? If not, moving with the team updates enhancements with Jenny.
Yeah, so nothing much has changed. We're still green. In the coming weeks, we'll probably be making some updates to the handbook. And yeah, that's about it.
Thanks, Jenny. Any questions for the enhancements team? If not, moving with the next team, release signal.
Okay, I'm ready to signal our data set screen and our GCE master scale carrying this job recover and has a go signal was given to 1.330 RC0. And now as RC0 is available, release 1.33 informing and with this 1.33 blocking dashboard will show up. We will have two more dashboards to monitor. Thank you.
Thanks. Any questions for the release signal team? If not, moving with the next team, docs with Ryan.
Hey everyone, Ryan this side. So our status is green. So all the docs peers have made it through the docs freeze. I have considered 2 or 3 docs peers which already had LGTM and approved label, but it got removed after new commits. So I have considered those even after the freeze deadline. I think we are fine with that as long as there are no significant changes required. Apart from that, we have raised the weekly branching PR and also the RC0 release notes PR. Both are in review. So this week also we are facing that easy CLA issue. So I'll sync up with docs leads to override the easy CLA issue so that we can merge the branching PR. Apart from that, we are working on the final release notes draft, and I'll be raising the PR by this weekend. And that's all from docs.
That sounds cool. Any questions for the docs team? If not, moving with the next team, comms with Ryota.
Folks, this is Ryota from Comms. So our overall status is green, and so we have 4 things that we can talk about. So feature blogs, we were tracking 17 KEPs, and out of 17, we are tracking 14. 2 are a little bit late, but made it through. There is 1 more that could potentially come in, and 1 that has no update, so probably need to be dropped. But overall, we have 14, which is more than quite a few, and more than the previous cycle. And we are working with the SIGDocs blog team on that. On the release highlight side, there was just 1 thing that we didn't have the confirmation for, but we finally got that. And so all the open discussions and open items around release highlights have been fully confirmed. That really helps with the release announcements. So all release highlights related items are green, and that also leads to the release announcements. The write-up is well in progress. There has been significant amount of work that has been put in by the team. So thank you very much from the comms team. And we will try to open up the Google Docs for early review from the blog team today, later today, hopefully. And we will have the blog PR ready for review that would allow everyone to have look at the blog, even including the SIGs. So that would be aimed for Friday as planned from the original schedule. So we are on track and yeah, have enough progress with that. On the webinar side, webinar and press, there have been some contacts made to CNCF representatives. We have got some response, but we have not fully confirmed around the webinar schedule. So that needs to be done sometime this week. We are not yet late, or we are not under so much time pressure at the moment, but we just want to make sure that we are ahead of the schedule. So those are the all the updates from the comms. Thanks.
Thanks, Ryota. That sounds really nice. Any questions for the comms team? If not, moving with the release branch management, Matteo.
Hey everyone, so there's some work left over from the yesterday cut, but we are green, so.
Thanks, Matteo. Any questions for the release branch management? If not, moving with the emeritus advisor, Angelus won't be able to join in today's meeting. So there is no major updates from his side. If there are any questions or if you need any help, please feel free to reach out to him. That's all from his side. Any questions for the emeritus advisor so that he can follow up after the meeting ends? If not, moving with the release lead, Nina won't make it to today's meeting as well. So there isn't as well major updates from her, but please start discussing about the next succession with your shadows, and please check the release team calendar for the updated APAC meeting due to the daylight saving time zone. The APAC meeting is scheduled at 5:30 a.m. UTC from now on. Please convert to your time zone or simply check the updated calendar notification. That's all from her side. Any questions for the release lead? If not, moving with the SIG scalability. So the current status from them is green. That's all for today's meeting. Any questions or anything we would like to discuss before we end up with today's meeting?
Just one thing. If you are a sub-team lead and you've already got an idea of who your successor would be, please DM both me and Nina in a group chat with that person's name so we can talk about it before you actually decide anything. Don't confirm any successors yet.
Thanks, Kat.
Yep.
So I'm gonna stop the recording now.